video tutorial on the 10 pips per day scalping strategy that you see on my website. Okay, so let me pull up my charts here. Sorry, there we go. Okay, so basically what we have here is we have our stochastics at the settings of 5, 3, and 3. Let me just pull it up here for you so you can see it. The K period is 5, the slowing is 3, the D period is 3, and the MA method is simple. Okay, and we have our Bollinger Bands, as you can see here, which is the period is 20 and the deviation is 2, and then it's applied to close. Okay, now how this works is we're looking for price action. We see how as price moves in a certain direction, if you see a close outside of our Bollinger Bands, for example, this is a long trade. It's a green candle closing outside. The moment this happens, we want to look down and see if we're in the overbought or oversold area. And truly, since we're going up, we were in the oversold. So there's 3 points we look at. We want a close outside of the Bollinger Band, which was good. The next thing we want to look for is the overbought oversold, which is that. And the third thing is once we close outside of it, we want to look for the opposite color candle, which is we were long here, it was green, and we're looking for our first red candle. So which happened right there. Let me draw it for you here. Right there. Once that happened, the very next candle we would enter short, giving us 11, 12 pips on this particular candle. We're on the 15-minute time frame on Euro USD. I prefer Euro USD because of the spreads and everything, and it's not that volatile. Okay, now let's move on forward. We had another trade here, green. It closed outside, but we never got a red candle near the outside here. We were in the overbought area, but nothing there. So let's move on. We have another trade here. Right there, it closed outside. We're in the oversold area, overbought area, sorry, and we're looking for a red candle. It comes out here. The very next candle we would go short. The trades pretty much go against us 6 pips, and it goes into our favor maximum of 27 pips. So let's move on to see more trades. As we're going down, here's our next trade that I see right here. This is a long trade. Okay, the market, it closed outside of the Bollinger Bands. We're in the oversold area, and we get a green candle. Once we get the green candle, it's our indication to go long at the very next candle, which is right there. It went against us 7 pips, went maximum in our favor for 11 pips. So doing this, if you take a couple pips here and there from each trade, you can definitely aim for your 10 pips a day strategy using this method. Okay, again, thanks for tuning in, and you can, if you have any questions on this, you can follow our strategy forums, and there is a 10 pips per day scalping strategy forum on there. If you want to have any question, you can post it there and I'll respond. Okay, thanks for tuning in. Bye bye. We've opened up Euro USD 15-minute time frame, and we're gonna insert our indicators. We're gonna insert a parabolic SAR, which is under indicators, trend, parabolic SAR. We're gonna keep the step at 0.02 and the maximum at 0.2. Okay, let's click OK. We're gonna insert one more indicator. Click Insert, Indicators, go down to Trend, Oscillators and Stochastic. Let's click that. Let's keep our parameters at 5, 3, and 3, and let's keep our levels at 70 and 30. Let's click OK. Here's how the strategy works. Basically, we want to look for a trend, and once we're going to use our parabolic SAR to give us a trend direction. Now let me show you an example here. Okay, here we have an example for a sell entry. The trend was a downtrend, and we had a cross in our stochastics above the 70 area, giving us a double confirmation that here's a retracement that happened during the downtrend, and it's going to continue down short. So as soon as the candle that creates this cross, you wait for that to close. Once that closes, at the very opening of the very next candle, you would open a sell. And you can keep your stops right at the high on this candle, or you can tweak it the way you want to tweak it for the best probability on your end. So here you would keep the stop, you would enter over here, and you can see that this particular trade went against you. I'm sorry, this particular trade right here went against you probably 5 to 7 pips depending on your spread, and it went in your favor for a maximum of 22 pips. Alright, so that is the sell entry. Let's show you the buy entries. Here's actually another sell entry right here. You can see that everything is matching up. At the opening of the next candle, which is right here, you would open a sell. Your stop would be on the high of the candle right there, and trade went against you probably 2 pips, I would say 2 or 3 pips with your spread, and it went in your favor for a total of 38 pips, 39 pips. Okay, I'm still trying to give you a buy example, so let's go further back. Let me see if I can find you one. Okay, here we have an example for a buy trade. We're in a uptrend here, and the stochastics close below the 30, giving us the confirmation that it's going to go long now. And the candle that causes the stochastics to cross at the opening of the very next candle, you would open your buy, which is right there. Your stop would be at the low here. Again, that's based on your risk. If you can keep it more or less, up to you. And you can see that the trade went against you a maximum of 5 pips, and it went in your favor for a total of 36 pips. Alright, so that is the Mumbai scalper strategy. You can find this strategy along with other trading strategies of mine on urbanforex.com. Just log on and you can click on strategies right there and see all the strategies. They're all listed for free. Alright, thanks for tuning in. Hope to see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.